In this video, I'll give you a quick preview of my modern Excel VBA Listbox, which I'll fully cover in an upcoming video. It's packed with powerful features like hover highlighting, as you can see here, and it also includes real-time filtering as you type. Another standout feature is column sorting. Just double-click any header to sort in ascending order and double-click again to sort in descending. At the bottom you'll find page navigation buttons, allowing you to easily flip through pages using arrows or by selecting a specific page number. You can click any record to select it and notice the blue highlight that appears when it is selected. The Listbox also supports multiple selections and it remembers them even as you switch between pages. Need to select all? Just click the checkbox in the header and click again to deselect all. The best part? It's super easy to implement with just a few lines of code. And with these few lines of code, you have access to all the features that I just showed. I plan to have the full video ready in the next week or two with the code available for download. Let me know what you think in the comments.